Hello doctors and FMGE aspirants. Myself Dr. Sasi. I cleared my FMGE in Jan 2023 with a score of 238 and I completed my NEET PG with a rank of 1401 in 2024. With my experience and expertise in NB pattern of examination, today I am with you with must know and most important topics for your upcoming FMGE examination. From dermatology, we'll see the important topics. The important topics in the dermatology are the alopecia areata and androgenic alopecia. How will you differentiate these two types of alopecia and what is the management you will do? Next, about this nail changes. What are the nail changes seen in a case of systemic diseases and other dermatological diseases? Like for example, what are the nail change you will see in a case of alopecia areata, lichen planus? They will ask this type of features. Like pterygium they will ask for lichen planus, pitting they will ask for alopecia areata. So just remember. And about this finding, which is what? Which is the wood lamp examination findings. They will ask you which of the following condition you will see this coral reef wood lamp finding. Okay, so you should know which of the following condition will show this wood lamp finding of coral reef or coral red appearance. So it is what? It is the erythrasma. Fine. And you should also know to differentiate between the syphilis, LGV, chancroid, donovenosis. Okay, their diagnosis and management using this STA kits and the normal drugs. Fine. And these few diseases you should know for sure. One of them is lichen planus, next one is the psoriasis and acne. These three diseases you should know for sure in and out, like mostly the diagnosis part and the management part and their types. Fine. And next one is the contact dermatitis and contact leukoderma, like how they looks and what are the components responsible for this contact leukoderma. Fine. And you should know this topic for sure. It is the pemphigus vulgaris and bullous pemphigoid. These two topics you should know how to differentiate them by this direct immunofluorescence or by their bulla appearances. Fine. And about viral diseases you should know about the HSV and HB infection, as I told from the microbiology also, and their management part. Fine. For scabies you should know about how will you diagnose the scabies and what is the management you will do. The same for types of tinea and their management, and the same for leprosy, the types of leprosy and how will you classify the leprosy and what is the management you will provide for this multibacillary and paucibacillary leprosy. Fine. And the final point, it is the neurocutaneous syndromes. Okay, neurocutaneous syndrome, NF1, NF2, tuberous sclerosis and Stewart-Weber syndrome. How will you able to differentiate this type of neurocutaneous diseases and what are the classical findings you should know of. Fine. And about this tumors, you must know about this basal cell carcinoma. This basal cell carcinoma, it can be asked from ENT, dermatology and also the surgical perspective. Fine. And you should also know what are the classification we use for melanoma and also what is the histopathological findings in a case of squamous cell carcinoma. So these are the important topics from the dermatology point of view. Fine. Just remember one thing, that time is now. So you should make use of this PDF or this video for sure. And if you able to make use of this video, you will able to get your pass mark and you will able to get maximum mark from your FMGE examination. Okay, I am waiting to see you with the other side with colorful colors of passing the examination. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.